Welcome sa Russell Rice Reviews. Ngayong gabi, iinom tayo ng espesyal na Wild Turkey. Ang Wild Turkey Kentucky Spirit Single Barrel. Ito ay ibinigay sa akin ng aking kaibigan na si Eric. Thank you, sir. Ang Kentucky Spirit Single Barrel ay 101 proof. Ibig sabihin, 50.5% alcohol. Walang age statement sa bote, pero ayon sa website ng Wild Turkey, ito ay 8 years old. So, bakit ito special at ano ang kaibahan niya sa standard na bote ng Wild Turkey 101? So, wala tayong standard na 101 dito sa bahay sa ngayon. Ang meron tayo dito, So yung standard na 101 kasi walang age statement. So ang meron tayo dito ay yung Wild Turkey 101 na 8-year-old. So dito natin ikukumpara yung single barrel. Itong 8-year-old na 101 ay blend. Okay? Ito ay blend ng mga whiskey mula sa iba-ibang barrel sa warehouse ng Wild Turkey. So bakit biniblend? Ginagawa nila ang blending para consistent ang lasa consistent yung lasa ng bourbon sa libu-libong mga bote na binibenta nila kung saan-saan. Ang single barrel, gaya ng sinasuggest ng pangalan nito, ay mula lamang sa iisang barrel. So walang blending na naganap, kaya bawat batch ay unique. So nakalagay dito sa label, this bourbon whiskey was bottled on May 20, 2025 from barrel number 3341, stored in warehouse TYR on Rick number 40, selected for the bourbon connoisseur. So, pareho silang straight bourbon. Okay? So, define natin kung anong iinumin natin. Ano ba ang straight bourbon? So, ilan sa mga legal requirement ng straight bourbon ay, una, dapat at least 51% corn ang grain component. So, ang Wild Turkey, kilala sa pagkakaroon ng mataas na porsyento ng rye sa kanilang whiskey. Kaya ito ay medyo spicy. So, kilala sila sa ganun. Share ko lang. Isa pa, ang straight bourbon ay dapat aged for a minimum of 2 years. At kapag less than 4 years ang aging, dapat naka-indicate sa bote. So kapag older than 4 years, hindi na required ilagay yung age statement. So itong 8-year age statement, ano na lang talaga siya, parang flex na lang yan. Isa pa, ang straight bourbon ay, nasa notes ko, ang straight bourbon dapat bottled at least 80 proof or at least 40% ABV. Ang pwede lang idagdag o ihalo ay tubig. So, walang coloring, walang flavoring, walang sweeteners. So, yan, yung kulay na nakikita nyo ngayon, that's all from the barrel. So, walang additional coloring yan or flavoring or kung ano-ano pa. Tubig lang ang pwedeng ihalo. May iba pang legal requirement, of course. Pero, legal requirement para matawag na straight bourbon. But, well, ain't nobody got time for that. Oras na para uminom. Unahin natin ang single barrel. Nasusulat sa website ng Wild Turkey. So tungkol sa Kentucky Spirit, itong boteng to. One of the first single barrel bourbons to hit the market. Each barrel is selected and bottled at our signature 101 proof at the peak of its maturity for the greatest depth of flavor and character. The barrel number, date, and warehouse number are handwritten on each neck label. telling the story of the single barrel from which the bottle was created. Okay, tasting notes. So sa taste, sabi nila, full, round body layered with rich flavors of vanilla, almond, and honey. Aroma, rich oak and vanilla with notes of caramel and leather. Okay, so tignan natin kung makukuha natin yung mga aroma na yun. So gaya ng nakukuha ko sa usual na sa standard na wild turkey, amoy saging. Vanilla, sure. Caramel, yeah. Leather though? Parang di ko nakukuha yun. Alcohol meron. Pero hindi siya harsh. Inumin na natin. Okay. Lakas ng alcohol burn. Damang-dama mo yung 101 proof. Thick yung mouthfeel. So, definitely not watery. Full round body, sure. Yeah, totoo. Rich flavors of vanilla, almond, and honey. Sa totoo lang, wala akong nakuha ang flavor kasi ang harsh. Okay, naparami lang yata yung una kong inom. So sa pangalawa, medyo may tamis. Pero lakas pa rin ng alcohol burn. Actually, yung tamis, lumalabas siya after na. So para siyang, hindi na siya flavor eh. More on the finish. Sabi nila, finish is long and smooth. Yeah, totoo naman. Dito pa siya hanggang ngayon. Smooth, yeah, sure. Mas interesting ba siya sa standard na 101? Let's find out. So, sabi naman sa website nila, tignan natin. Okay. 101 8-year-old bourbon. Wild Turkey 101 8-year-old is blended from a smaller batch of barrels that are hand-selected for their characteristics and complex flavor profiles. The longer maturation of the 8-year-old 101 enhances the bourbon's profile for a remarkable serving neat or on the rocks. It's the ideal offering for those seeking a mature and rich expression of wild turkey that still shines with bold flavor from its classic high proof. Okay, aroma, caramel, roasted nuts, citrus peel, and sweet oak. Let's see. Mas prominent yung amoy ng saging dito. Yung amoy plastic dito rin. And I mean that in a good way. Mas matapang yung amoy nung 8-year-old versus the single barrel. Caramel, roasted nuts. Di ko naman nakukuha yun. Amoy saging talaga. Lakas. Citrus peel? Sure. Pero baka dahil nabasa ko na dun, kaya power of suggestion. Okay, smells nice. Taste, okay, vanilla, toffee, charred oak, lemon zest, and black cherry. Let's see. Lakas din ng alcohol burn. At parang marami na nainom ko dahil wala akong nakuhang kahit anong flavor. alcohol burn lang. Actually, wala akong makuhang kahit alin doon sa mga flavor na sinabi nila. last nung last nung alcohol burn. Pero mouthfeel, very good. Definitely not watery. Um, Oily, thick. Very very similar dun sa single barrel. Balik tayo sa single barrel. Mas swabe mas swabe sa bibig yung single barrel, mas rounded, mas bawas yung harshness. So, syempre unique 'yon dito sa batch na to. So, hindi lahat ng single barrel of course will be like this. So, yun nga yung habol mo pag bibili ka ng single barrel na whiskey. So, gusto mo makita yung characteristics nung barrel na yun. Grabe, mas harsh talaga sa lasa, sa aroma yung 101 na 8-year-old versus this single barrel. So, sino mas anong mas enjoyable inumin? Pareho lang. But if I have to pick a winner from this tasting session, I'd say yeah, mas okay tong single barrel. So itong particular that was bottled on the 20th of May last year at from barrel number 3341. Wild Turkey did a nice job with this one. I mean, the 101, ito talaga yung paborito kong bourbon. Pero it's nice to know that something like this exists. So, but still, the 101, which is widely available, siya pa rin yung paborito kong bourbon there. But again, in this particular instance, this one won. So, nabawasan yung harshness, mas rounded. At yeah, it offers the same, mouthfeel, the same drinking experience, but smoother. Yun lang. Okay, that's it for my review. Drink less, drink better. Hanggang sa muli.